In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Calendar public. If you've ever wanted to share your calendar with the wider world, whether for professional purposes or simply to streamline event coordination, making it public can be a great solution. And don't worry, it's a straightforward process that won't take more than a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Calendar page. You can easily find it by simply searching for Google Calendar in your web browser or entering the URL directly if you have it saved. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you'll see a list of all your calendars on the left-hand side of the screen. These might include work schedules, personal appointments, or any other events you've added over time. Next, you need to identify the specific calendar you want to make public. Hover your mouse over the name of the calendar, and next to it, you'll see a small options icon, usually appearing as three vertical dots. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options listed, you'll want to select Settings and Sharing. This will open a new set of options specific to that calendar. It's here that you can adjust various settings, granting you full control over who can see your events and how much they can interact with them. Now, to make your calendar public, scroll down until you find the section labeled Access Permissions. In this section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Make Available to Public. By checking this box, you're allowing anyone with the link to view your calendar. This feature is particularly useful for public events or when you want to share your availability without sending individual invitations. Once you've checked the box, a pop-up will appear warning you about the potential privacy implications, as making your calendar public means anyone can view the details you've chosen to share. If you're comfortable with that, go ahead and click OK to confirm your decision. And that's it! Your calendar is now public. You can share the calendar link with anyone, allowing them to see your events without further hassle. Remember, even after making a calendar public, you can always go back to your settings and adjust who can view or make changes to your calendar by accessing the same settings menu. Making a Google Calendar public can simplify scheduling and coordination, especially for group events, businesses, or organizations that need to keep others informed about their schedules. Just be sure to regularly review your settings to ensure they align with your privacy preferences. And with that, you're all set. Thanks for joining me today and happy scheduling.